Welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll explore 3 different methods to remove hyperlinks and convert them into plain text. After understanding how each method works, we'll take it a step further by creating an Excel add-in that removes hyperlinks with a single click, whether from a workbook, worksheet, or selection. Finally, we'll insert buttons on the Home tab, allowing you to access this functionality from the ribbon whenever needed. The first method utilizes the clear drop-down available on the Home tab. Select the cell containing the hyperlink. Go to the Home tab, click the clear drop-down in the editing group, and choose Remove Hyperlinks. The hyperlink will be removed, leaving only the text. To remove multiple hyperlinks at once, select all the cells containing hyperlinks and follow the same steps. The second method is even quicker. Simply right-click the cell containing the hyperlink. In the menu that appears, select Remove Hyperlink. To remove multiple hyperlinks, select all the linked cells, right-click any selected cell, and choose Remove Hyperlinks. This will instantly strip all hyperlinks while keeping the text. If you frequently need to remove hyperlinks, VBA can help automate the task. The previous methods are useful, but what if you need to remove hyperlink from the entire workbook? Instead of manually selecting all content on each sheet and using the Remove Hyperlinks command, which can be time-consuming, especially for large workbooks, VBA provides a faster solution. If you haven't enabled the Developer tab yet, right-click the ribbon, select Customize Ribbon, check the Developer option, and click OK. Go to the Developer tab and click Visual Basic in the Code group. In the VBA Editor window, insert a new module by clicking the Insert menu and selecting Module. In the newly opened Module window, create a subroutine named Remove Hyperlinks from Selection and insert the VBA code shown on screen. This script will remove all hyperlinks from the currently selected cells in your Excel worksheet. To test it, close the VBA editor and go back to the Excel window. Select a cell containing a hyperlink, then go to the Developer tab and click Macros in the code group. You'll see our subroutine listed in the Macro dialog box. Click Run, and just like that, the hyperlink is removed, leaving only the text. Now, try selecting multiple cells and running the macro again. You'll notice that all hyperlinks in the selection are removed at once. Let's take this a step further by creating a new macro that removes all hyperlinks from the active sheet. Go back to the VBA editor and insert another subroutine. Give it a suitable name, such as Remove Hyperlinks from Sheet. This time, instead of using selection, we'll modify the code to use active sheet. Now, return to Excel and run this macro from the Macros dialog box. You'll see that it instantly removes all hyperlinks from the entire worksheet without needing to select anything. For even greater efficiency, let's create a macro that removes all hyperlinks from every worksheet in the workbook. Go back to VBA Editor and insert another subroutine. This time, we'll use it for each loop to go through every sheet and remove hyperlinks. We declare a variable WS to represent each worksheet in the workbook. The for each loop cycles through all worksheets, one by one. Inside the loop, the WS hyperlinks delete command removes all hyperlinks from the current worksheet. The loop continues until every sheet has been processed. Once you run this macro, every hyperlink in the entire workbook will be removed instantly. This is especially useful when working with large workbooks that contain multiple sheets full of hyperlinks. Now let's test it. Go back to the Excel window. Open the Macros dialog box and run the new macro. You'll see that all hyperlinks in the entire workbook are removed in just one click. Next, we'll create an Excel add-in and add custom ribbon buttons to remove hyperlinks from any workbook, making it as easy to use as a built-in command. To create an add-in, first, copy the VBA code and close your current workbook. Next, open a new workbook and press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. In the editor, insert a new module and paste the copied code. Close the VBA editor and save the workbook as an XLAM file, which is the format for Excel add-ins. When you select the XLAM extension, Excel automatically changes the save location to the add-ins folder. This ensures your add-in is stored where Excel can access it. Now, go to the Developer tab, click Excel Add-ins in the Add-ins group, and the Add-ins dialog box will appear, listing available add-ins. If your Remove Hyperlinks add-in isn't in the list, click Browse, navigate to the Add-ins folder, select your add-in, and click Open. Once it appears in the list, make sure it's checked, then click OK to activate it. At this point, the add-in is active and can be accessed from the Macros dialog box. But we want to integrate it into the ribbon, just like Excel's built-in commands, such as copy and paste. To do this, let's customize the ribbon. Before starting, close all open workbooks or restart Excel to ensure the add-in loads correctly. Now, open a new workbook, right-click the ribbon, and select Customize the ribbon from the menu. This opens the Excel Options dialog box with the ribbon customization settings. On the right side, select the tab where you want to add the new buttons. In this example, we'll choose the Home tab, create a new group, and name it Remove Hyperlinks. With the new group selected, go to the left side of the dialog box and select Macros from the Choose Commands from drop-down list. Since only the add-in is loaded, you will see the list of macros saved in your add-in file. Add each macro one by one, rename them appropriately, and assign suitable icons for easy identification. Click OK to return to Excel. Now, you'll see the Remove Hyperlinks group added at the end of the Home tab. Open any workbook containing hyperlinks and test the buttons. You'll see that each button works as expected. You've now successfully created an Excel add-in that removes hyperlinks from a selected range, the current worksheet, or the entire workbook with a single click, making your workflow more efficient. If you want to explore more about Excel add-ins and automation, check out the tutorials and playlists linked in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.